Hello guys, welcome back to Unit 1 2 General Maths. Today we're going to keep doing chapter 2, which is the data sets and distributions. And today we're going to try to learn some measures of center. And so we're going to try to learn something about like a mean and able to know how we doing media, mean or all the particular distributions and stuff. So first thing first, let's start with some mean. So mean actually another fancy word called is average. The most commonly used measure of the center of the distribution of the numericals and variables is the mean. The mean is actually sum of data values divided by total number of data values. So we can actually say for example, if a set of the data actually like 1, 5, 2, 4, we have 4 different numbers. So we say the total number is, can I just use some different total number is 4. And then because a set of data we have actually gonna adding all of them together. So 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 4. So 1 plus 5 equal to 6, 6 plus 2 equal to 8, 8 plus 4 equal to 12, and then divided by the total data values. And then your mean equal to 3. The mean can actually not relate to any set of data, but actually you can say the average looks like. Yep. Some notations actually this is very important for you to understand what is going on about the symbols. First one is called sigma. So sigma is called the sum of. And so as we can say, so the sigma looks like a capital E, but actually it's different. So we do that. Do that. That's a sigma looks like. And number 2 is letter low case for x in respect for the data values. If you see the low case, which is the x is representing the data sets, and letter lowercase and we have a bar on top of the x, that means the mean of the data, so mean. And n actually means the total number of data values. As we can write the values for mean formula, can write as mean equal to the sum of x values divided by the total number of data values. There you go. All right, here is the two different tables and following about the premiership about one each the current AFL teams, the end of 2021. So find the mean numbers of premiership ones and rounds your answer with one decimal places. So now you're actually gonna using something called the CAS calculator. I will show you during the class as well. So how we're gonna using it. But first thing we're gonna write as mean equal to sum of x over n. So that actually equal to something. But so how many premiership and teams altogether? So first thing we need to find out. N equal to some numbers. So how many teams in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we actually have 18 teams. So the mean equal to the whole premiership, the one, so which is your sum of your x, which is your premierships. We can say is 16 plus 16 plus 15 and so on, so on, so on, so on to 0 plus 0 plus 0. You're actually gonna write it 0 plus 0 plus 0 too. Yeah, just showing you and how we're actually going through. So they had 18. So using the CAS calculator and adding all those numbers together, after all, you will see it's 125, and that's 18 down the bottom of fractions. So mean equal to 125 over 18. So that actually equal to approximately 6.9. So that is your mean, which is like for each 18 teams could win in the premierships and the end of 2021. Yeah. And the media, which is another very important thing we need to know, is the middle of the center of the word, the center of the numbers, which is the middle values, we call the media. So for example, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 11. We have 11 numbers. And the middle number will be 6. So because 5 on the left hand side, 5 on the right hand side. And then the media will be the middle number 6. So there's 11 numbers, which is the middle number 6. But sometimes make sure every single time, no, sometimes it's every single time, the order from lower to largest will be make life easier, okay? So do not mix it up. All right, start from lowest number to maximum number. All right, and also another example, which is we have 12 different numbers, which is you have to um, break down the both sides are same numbers, which is like 5 on the left and 5 on the right. And about the middle number, well, we have two difference. You have to plus together, divided by 2. And then that's your media. So even total numbers, we will find the middle 2 and divide by 2. Okay, so make sure. So determine that all range of observations about the size is ordering. So which is you can go largest to the low, but meant to be, personally, I like low to largest. And if n is the number of observations is odd number, the media, which is like n plus 1 divided by 2. So that is your when it's odd number and observations the end of the list. And another one is the media, which is you get n divided by 2 and n divided by 2 plus 1. Those two will be your middle number, and you plus together divided by 2. Okay, so the n can be any numbers. Okay, the stamp plot. We haven't seen this one in ages, but we're gonna go through anyway. So let's have a look how many in total ages, years. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we have 23 in total. Perfect. And so n equal to 23. Stamp plot. So your media number will be 23 plus 1 divided by 2. So which is the 12th precision. So the 12th precision number will be your media. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So which is 41 years old or 41 years old. Yeah. Okay, perfect. All right, let's have a look at another examples. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we had n equal to 18. So we have to find two different things. So first one, we're going to find n over 2 precision, and n plus 1 over 2 precision. Oh, sorry. Let me correct that. So n divided by 2 plus 1 precision. So those two will be 9 and 10th precision. So which means will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that'll be 34 and 39. And you're gonna plus together and divide by 2. Plus together, divided by 2. And that equal to 36.5 is your media. Alright. So please have a look at the summaries later by yourself and write down anything you want to ask. And during the class, please let me know. And otherwise, I see you next time.